Don't get trash credit cards. Do this. Hey there. Let's chat about something super important, credit cards. Are you feeling stuck with those terrible ones like First Premier, Open Sky, or Credit One? The ones with tiny limits and sky-high interest rates? It's frustrating, right? So what does that actually mean? You get charged just for having them, and it feels like a never-ending cycle of fees. But here's the good news. There's a way to rebuild your credit without those hard inquiries and sneaky fees. Believe it or not, you can actually do it the right way. In this friendly guide, I'm going to walk you through the best credit cards out there for rebuilding credit, how to use them, and how to dodge the traps that many people fall into. Trust me, this is a strategy I've used with lots of clients who are now cruising in the 800 Club. Ready? Let's dive in. Card number 1, the secret weapon. All right, let's talk about the first card I want to share, the Cred AI Unicorn card. What's so special about it? Well, it reports to credit bureaus as if it's a $1,500 limit. But here's the kicker. You don't have to actually use $1,500. I usually suggest putting just $10 on it. Grab a drink at the gas station and let it work its magic. You see, there's no hard inquiry with this card, and there aren't any fees. It's the perfect starter card to kick off positive payment history. So what does that actually mean? It means you can boost your credit score without spending a ton of cash. And if you check your credit report, it shows up as a $1,500 credit card, which is way better than those low-limit cards that scream high risk. Card number 2, Capital One. Next up is the Capital One Platinum card or the Quicksilver card. These are fantastic for rebuilding credit and can help you grow over time. And the best part? You can pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. If you're not approved, no biggie. Capital One is great because it's likely to approve you even if you have a lower score. Think low 600s or high 500s. So you can start with one of these cards, and after a few months, they might even bump up your limit. And guess what? You can check what you might qualify for using a card match tool. It's free, and it doesn't hurt your credit score. This is a cool way to see all your options without the hassle. Card number 3, the Credit Union Magic. Now, let me tell you about credit unions. They're often overlooked, but can be gold mines. Take Skyla Credit Union, for example. Even with a bad credit score, you could get a $25,000 limit. That's right. They only need you to have a score of 580, and they pull from just one bureau, TransUnion. Why is this important? Because it makes it easier for you. Plus, have you seen what people can achieve with the help of Dispute Beast, an AI credit repair tool? One person shot up their credit score by 289 points in just one round. So, let's get back to Skyla. Here's the plan once you join a credit union. Open both a checking and a savings account. Save as much as you can. Set up a direct deposit of at least $500 a month. Take out a secured loan for at least 2 years. Don't set up auto pay just yet. Pay down 80 to 90% of that loan before putting the rest on auto pay. Do this for 6 to 8 months. Finally, apply for a mid-tier credit card that can go up to $25,000. Skyla has even released a $50,000 credit card with no annual fee and 0% APR for the first year. Pretty sweet, right? Card number 4, Discover Card. Now, here's a card that many should consider, the Discover Card. It's perfect for anyone new to credit or rebuilding. With this card, you get cash back and no annual fee, which is awesome. They'll either give you a secured or unsecured card based on your credit profile. After a few months of responsible use, they might upgrade you to an unsecured card and return your deposit. Talk about a win. The big no. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Please stay away from those trash credit cards like First Premier, Open Sky, and Credit One. They're traps. Low limits and high fees will only hold you back. Trust me, you don't need those cards to rebuild. Aim for 5 solid names on your credit profile like Capital One, Discover, Chase, American Express, and Citibank. That's what lenders want to see. Wrapping up. So, here's a quick recap. Start with the Cred AI card, move to Capital One, then use the card match tool for more options. Join a credit union like Skyla, and go for that big credit card. Finally, secure the Discover It card. If you follow this path, your credit can soar in just 6 to 12 months. Check out my links in the video description and let me know if you've faced one of those bad credit cards. We're all friends here, and we can learn together. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on boosting your credit. You got this.